Are you looking for a property that is very accessible in Metro Manila? Are you a Filipino working abroad that in the future you're going to retire here in the Philippines? So right now, nandito tayo ngayon sa Solen Residences and we will feature this property as part at pwede nating makonsider in terms of investment. Hi everyone, this is Christine from Prestige Properties and welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, samahan niyo ako. Ipapakita namin sa inyo yung one of the model houses that we're offering here in Solen Residences Phase 1C Extension. So actually, kung napapanood nyo on our vlog, on this project, we have the pre-selling Solen Phase 1C Extension and we're offering a residential lots only. So meaning, lote lang yung ipapurchase natin kay Solen and you can build your own dream house. So, syempre, since we're building your dream house, we have a model houses that Solen provides. So, dito, you can have the own interior, but outside your house, we have a different model houses that we're going to choose. Lalo na kung iba-iba rin, syempre, iba-iba yung lote na ino-offer natin dito. So, for the Solen Phase 1C Extension, actually, we're offering minimum lot cut of 150 square meter. So, syempre, kung naliliitan kayo for the 150, we're also offering up to 227 square meter. So, kanina, galing tayo sa clubhouse. So, that is our pavilion hall that can accommodate almost 200 to 200 facts kung may event kayo. So, as homeowners, you can use these amenities para magamit nyo, and this is a part of the amenities that we're offering here in Solen Residences. So here, since that on that side, that is our clubhouse. So on this side naman, makikita nyo, these are model houses that we're offering for the Solen Phase 1, 2, and 3. So dun sa mga nakapag-purchase na ng property before, pa kay Solen Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. So as of now, may mga lote pa tayo na ino-offer actually. Minsan may nare-reopen tayo. But syempre, since ready to build na yung mga lote natin na na-open, direct to the developer, minsan masyado nang mataas. So, as of now, ang price ranges natin dito for Solen, since this is sa Santa Rosa, Laguna, malapit sa mismong city, then accessible to Calax, SLEX. So, price ranges na natin dito is 45 to 50,000. So, imagine, nung nag-start pa lang tayo dito, Solen offers for only 6 to 7,000 per square meter. Napakalaki na nung ating itinaas nung property dito. Kaya naman kung kayo nakapag-purchase na for the Solen Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, talagang nag-appreciate na yung value ng property nyo. So most of our clients na nakukuha namin dito sa aming mga vlogs, meron na silang mga na-purchase na lote before and they're planning to add another investment. So nakakatuwa kasi they reach out to us, then since nakabili na sila ng lote, they want naman to build their dream house. So since kami is part of the Go Realty Company, we're also offering a house construction. Kaya naman dito sa aming company, one-stop shop naman yung aming ino-offer. So from the transfer title, from the selling lot, or hindi kaya kung kayo mismo may property dito sa Solen, gusto nyong ipapabenta, we can also help you or assist you on that part. So lalo na dun sa mga clients natin na nasa abroad, hindi na nila kayang intindihin pa yung property nila dito. So that kami, nagiging guide nila or natutulungan namin sila para at least ma-purchase or maibenta pa ulit yung property nila. So, syempre, aside from the developers, we're also offering the resale lots, which is, syempre, ito yung mas madalas na napipurchase sa amin kasi this is a bit below developer's price and syempre magkakaiba ng terms of payment natin. But if you're interested in below developer's price, you can message us directly and our price ranges start at 6 million. So at least magkaroon lang kayo ng idea for comparison from the developers na 150, almost 7.5 million, then to the resale lot, 188 for only 6 million. So syempre napakalayo ng price difference niya. But In terms of computation, magkaiba rin po tayo. Although, pwede natin siya i-bank finance, but in terms of down payment, dito po tayo nagkakaiba kasi mas mataas yung ating mga down payment terms pagdating naman kay resale, which is we can discuss naman the further details once na nag-viewing tayo dito ng property. So, balik tayo dito kay Solen Phase 1C Extension at my back. This is one of the model house we offer for the Solen Phase 1C Extension. So, ang maganda dito, napaka-modern na nung design ng property natin. At we have the 2 carport as the standard turnover natin for the unit. So, on this property, and makikita nyo rin at my side, this is your access naman going to your pocket garden. So, ayan, makikita nyo, meron tayo ditong pocket garden na maganda kasi, syempre, meron pa rin tayong extra spaces. So, marami tayo pang magagawa in terms of spaces. Then, on the other side, meron naman tayo dun access to your laundry or your lanay. Then, ang maganda pa rin dito, syempre, pag umikot kayo sa property nyo, talaga namang marami pa kayong pwedeng gawin. But as always said, since Pramana and Solen Residences is same developer, always ang expansion natin is one side lang. So, this is also a gateless community. Then, ayan, makikita nyo guys. This is our access naman going to your laundry area. So, since this one, pwede nyo itong ipa-enclose once na na-turn over na sa atin yung property. And also, ang maganda pa dito, you can create a storage area naman dito sa side na to. So, yan. So, this is only a sample model house that we can build once we purchase the property for Solen Phase 1C Extension. So, again, nakita nyo na yung ating Solen Phase 1C Extension from the side, both side natin. So, this is your garden, your pocket garden, and your laundry area. And this one naman, this is your standard carport. 2 carport yung kasya dito sa property natin. And now, papasok naman tayo sa loob para makita nyo naman yung interior na pwede natin gawin once you purchase the property here in Solen Residences. Let's go! So, once you enter, ayan, makikita nyo dito sa Solen Phase 1C Extension, napakalawak ng pwede nyong gawin sa ating area. So, on this one, mas malaki lang yung lote neto actually. Since this is a model unit, mas malaki na yung lote na tinayuan nitong ating model house. But upon entering, napaka-spacious. As always, we have a powder room at the ground floor. Then on that side, nandiyan na rin yung ating hagdan or stair going to your second floor naman. From your entrance, ayan, bubungad sa inyo yung inyong living area, which is kayo naman na yung magde-design dito actually. So, this is only a design or a sample model house that you can have once na nag-purchase kayo ng property or kung magpapagawa na kayo. So, ayan, makikita nyo, ayan, nandito na yung ating living area. So, where your family can have get together. Yan, pagka magkakwentuhan kayo, meron kayong gathering. And syempre, since malaki yung lote na to, mapapansin nyo rin napakalawak ng backyard nyo. So, it's always depend po kung ano yung property na ipipurchase nyo. Then, yan, may mga fence na rin yung gilid natin, which is, ibig sabihin yan yung boundary line ng ating property. Then, from your living area, on this side naman, makikita nyo rito, nandito yung ating provision for the television. Ayan, makikita nyo, or this is a sample lang, then actually, you can hang it or fix it over here para at least magkakaroon pa kayo ng extra space or shelves na pwede nyong gawin. So, depende sa atin kung ano yung magiging design or interior natin pagdating dito. Then, syempre, from your living area, nandito naman yung ating dining area. So, this one can fit for your family if you're 4 to 6 in the family, starting a family, or newlywed. Yan, kasyang-kasya tayo dito. Or pwedeng-pwede na sa ating yung minimum cut of the 150. But, kung tayo is marami sa family at marami talaga kayong bumibisita every weekend, so we suggest a bigger lot para at least mas ma-expand nyo rin yung house in terms of construction. Then now, dito naman tayo sa ating kitchen area, which is makikita nyo, ayan, parang ginawa siyang bar counter, where is pag nag-prepare tayo ng food, dito muna natin ilalagay. Then, for the sink on this side. Then, of course, pwede na kayo maglagay ng mga cabinets. And kanina, ito yung dinaanan natin going to your laundry or going to your backyard naman. So, from here, ayan, nalibot na natin or napakita ko na sa inyo yung sample interior for the living area, dining area, and kitchen area. So, pupunta naman tayo sa second floor para at least makita nyo naman kung ano yung pwede nyong i-design. So, for the regular cat, actually, it's always has 3 bedrooms. So, since ito is medyo maliit yung cat natin, minaximize nila ng 3 bedrooms ito. And syempre, meron na rin naman tayong toilet and bath dito sa taas. Ayan, so umaakyat tayo dito. Makikita nyo rin, since modern tropical yung modern ng bahay natin, yan, meron tayong mga big windows. So, at least, yung light from outside, dediretso na sa bahay nyo. Which is ito, makikita nyo rito, since this is a model house, nakaharap tayo sa ating clubhouse. So actually, yung ibang model house natin dito binibenta na. Pero yung iba, na-sold naman na. Kasi yung iba talaga is they want a ready for occupancy house and lot. So, on this side, makikita nyo agad pag akyat nyo, ito na yung ating first room. So, kung may kids kayo or like newlywed at wala pa naman kayong mga kids, you can use the rooms for your visitors. So this one, this is your first room that you can put also the cabinets here. Ayan. So para at least talagang makikita nyo, magkaroon kayo ng idea pag kayo na yung magpapagawa ng property. So for this one, sa taas, may 3 rooms tayo. So yan, syempre, meron rin tayo ditong common toilet and bath para magamit nung ating 2 rooms na available. So, ayan, kung kayo naman ngayon is newlywed, then meron kayong baby or may anak kayo, meron na rin agad silang pwedeng maging room dito. So, nakadepende na talaga sa atin kung paano natin iaayos itong bahay. So, yan, makikita nyo rin, napakalaki ng mga windows natin. Meron tayong screen where we can open the other side para at least yung hangin outside papasok dito sa ating room. So, kung gusto natin in terms of makatipid or mag-save ng aircon, ng kuryente, ayan, pwede natin siyang magamit. So, yan yung screen natin. And ngayon, nandito naman tayo sa kabilang room. So, this one will be your master's bedroom. So, yan, medyo malaki to kasi syempre, this is a master's bedroom ng ating property. And of course, makikita nyo rito, we have also the access going to your balcony. So, maganda naman dito, all model houses that we're offering, meron tayong balcony. So, syempre, iba-iba naman yung ating gusto pagdating sa mga bahay. Kasi syempre, dream house mo na yung pinapagawa. Gusto natin lahat ma-maximize na yung ating pwedeng gawin dito. So, mention ko lang guys, since we're offering lot only, yung ating pong blueprint ay bibilhin po natin kay Solen, which is ang price neto is 100,000. So, yun po ay bibilhin natin once na magpapagawa na tayo ng property. So, on this side, since this is our master bedroom, meron tayo ditong sariling toilet and bath. So, syempre, in terms of privacy, mag-asawa kayo, mag-partner kayo, so hindi nyo na kailangan lumabas pa para gumamit ng common toilet and baths. So, ayan, nakita nyo na yung ating 3 rooms dito sa taas, toilet and bath, and dito naman, naglalakad tayo sa hallway. So, actually, talagang depende na lang sa atin yung magiging in terms of spaces natin. So, yan, bababa ulit tayo, guys. Papakita namin sa inyo or i-recap natin itong ating model house. So, yan. Sana dun sa mga nag-purchase sa atin ng property, kahit sa Solen 1, 2, 3, pwede nyo tong ipagawa. Actually, we have a new client for Solen Phase 1 and nagbibuild sila ng bahay. Actually, yung na-approve sa kanila na bahay, ang maganda dito is the new model na rin. So, imagine, for the Solen Phase 1 and 2, iba na yung design ng bahay nyo. So, of course, maganda yung kasi pagka kayo nasa inikutan siya, makikita nyo, iba na ang bahay na to. So, napaka-modern na niya pagdating. So, syempre dito, pag nag-ikot kayo actually, so once na nag-viewing tayo dito kay Solen, makikita nyo naman talaga yung existing community natin. So, galing tayo kanina kay Pramana. Pramana is also a greenfield project residential. So, siya yung first residential park natin dito kay Greenfield. But, syempre, mas maliit lang si Pramana. So, iba-iba naman actually yung ating target market or yung mga clients natin na naghahanap ng property. So, yung iba gusto small community or parang simple community lang. So, they choose Pramana. While yung other clients naman namin na mas prepared is parang mas malaki, yung talagang pag dumaan ka, ang lalaki ng kalsada mo. So, minsan na-appreciate nila yung kasi from the entrance pa lang ni Solen, talagang makikita mo na agad yung 3-line roads nila, yung amenities, napakalaki. So, iba-iba pa rin naman. So, depende na yan sa atin kung paano natin i-appreciate. Naniniwala rin kami na kapag nagtitripping, mas mahalaga pa rin kung anong nararamdaman nyo sa isang property. So, most of our buyers, mas inaano namin kung ano ba yung nararamdaman nila, ano ba yung mas feel nila, alin yung pag pumasok sila sa isang subdivision, welcome ba sila, or yung parang iba yung pakiramdam, parang pag nakita mo yung property na to, ito na to. So, may mga ganun kaming buyers na syempre, they were helping para at least makapili sila ng property. But most of them actually is abroad. Kaya nakakatuwa lang kasi they reach us from YouTube here or they call us through WhatsApp and they asking for the details. Kaya napakasaya namin na makatulong for them na kahit malayo sila, nakikita pa rin nila yung development, nakikita nila kung ano yung community na isang click mo lang actually ngayon sa internet, nandun na lahat. So of course, for Solen Residences, we're selling this not only the community but of course the location. So this property is located in a prime location and of course kilala rin naman yung ating developer dito which is si Greenfield City that also have development in Mandaluyong or Ortigas. So yan, nandito na tayo ngayon. Napakita ko na sa inyo yung ating property and kung gusto nyo mas malaking lote, we can suggest other properties in the area or kung gusto nyo ibang ambience or ibang ibang design or ibang development, we can help pa din po. So for now, makikita nyo dito sa aming mga videos, we always emphasize the Greenfield project which is ito yung one of the property kasi na very accessible since taga rito rin kami sa area. So balik tayo guys sa labas. Ito, papakita ko lang ulit sa inyo yung ating labas ng property. Ayan. So, makikita nyo ulit. Yan, ito yung ating model house. So, yan yung pinasok natin. Yan yung property na ino-offer natin kay Solen Residences. So, this is one of the model na makikita nyo. Actually, ito talaga bago yung design natin. So, makikita nyo naman, mako-compare nyo siya dun sa ating mga existing model dito kay Solen Phase 1, 2, and 3. So, kaya naman kung hanggang ngayon or lagi kayong nanonood ng mga videos namin dito sa Solen at interested kayo, actually kahit inquiries lang. So, syempre iba pa rin yung nakikita nyo compare sa napapanood. So, yung ibang client namin talaga is naglalaan ng time or pag umuwi sila dito, saka lang sila magti-tripping. Or di kaya naman, they have a family representative from Manila that napupunta naman dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So napakahalaga no kasi gusto naming mapakita yung mismong community or ano ba yung mapipil nila kapag ka nakarating dito sa Solen Residences. So yun lang guys. Thank you for watching at sa mga laging nanonood sa amin dito sa YouTube on our vlog. Maraming salamat. And kung kayo is interested at uuwi kayo dito sa Pilipinas this year at you're planning to invest your retirement home here in Santa Rosa, Laguna, please don't hesitate to message us directly. So you can reach me through Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. So my number is 0917 0917-5132484. And that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. So again, this is Christine from Prestige Properties, and see you on my next one. Thank you!